Disobedience of a court order is very serious. A court order must be obeyed with utmost obedience until it is reviewed or set aside, because we are a country that is governed by the rule of law. As you know,
Former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua has filed a petition seeking to bar President William Ruto from filling the position of Deputy President following his impeachment at the Senate. Through his legal team, Kamotho Njomo and Company, Gachagua sought to restrain the National Assembly from discussing, vetting, voting, or approving a nominee. He questioned the hurried nature in which Parliament was rushing to replace him. There has been a demonstrated urgency to remove the Deputy President from office and install another person, which may be done hurriedly with a view to frustrating the Deputy President. Hence, the urgency to hear this petition and the application. The petition reads in part. On Friday morning, President Ruto forwarded Interior CS Kithure Kindiki's name to the National Assembly for approval. Gachagua also sought the courts to direct the National Assembly and the Senate to delete or correct any false information contained in the impeachment motions. He requested the Chief Justice to constitute an uneven number of judges to hear and determine the petition. The former DP further criticized the Senate trial process, terming that the 11 grounds in the impeachment motion were not backed by credible evidence. He referenced the 2015 court case where the Court of Appeal nullified former MBU Martin Wambora's impeachment, citing that there was no clear evidence that he grossly violated the Constitution. Gachagua also faulted Parliament for not conducting adequate public participation despite a High Court verdict directing that the exercise be done at the constituency level. This express order of the court was disregarded by the Senate. The petition read, in part, Gachagua's petition marks 4 applications filed in court seeking to stop Kindiki's nomination and subsequent approval by the National Assembly. Similarly, Sharia Mantani and a Shadrach Wambui, through lawyer Danstan Omari, have also filed a case seeking similar orders. The lobby group argues that Gachagua was not given an opportunity to defend the allegations against him, saying that fair administration was not accorded to him. Omari wants the court to stop both President Ruto and the National Assembly from acting on the Gazette notice and appointing a replacement for the Deputy President. So far, 4 petitions have been filed at the Milimani Law Courts on Gachagua impeachment.
the Judicial Service Act gives me the mandate to be the link for the judiciary with other government agencies and other arms of government. It also creates the National Council on the Administration of Justice, whose mandate is to collaborate and coordinate all the actors in the administration of justice to ensure that at the end of the day we render seamless services. So I ask myself, when I come now to meet politicians, what will they say about me? That independence of the judiciary is deep, is fundamental, it cannot be taken away simply because I have sat with other agencies of government, with the politicians. We are required by our constitution to collaborate and coordinate our affairs. No one can act in a silo and be able to deliver for the people. Nobody can expect the judiciary to remain alone and deliver justice. We must work with others.